Hello, greetings to you. My name is Chilerak. How are you all doing? You are welcome to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make Milkmaid top. The simplest method I will show you. You will need two measurements, and here is the measurement you will be needing. So let's get started. I have two pieces right here as my sleeves. The length is 20 inches and 13.5 is on fold. The fabric I place is on fold. So the total is 27. I have two pieces here for my sleeves. So my top, the front and the back top. So the width of my top is 36. My bust 34 plus 2, it gives me 36. And the length of my top is 8.5. And here is my waistband. It's on fold. So the measurement I took here is 4 inches. So times 2 is 8 in total. The length you will need, it depends. Mine is 59. I don't want it too long, I don't want it too short, so it's okay for me like this. So the length is 59. You can decide to increase the length for your own. So my straps, I don't have full length, so it's pieces I'm going to join it to forge my strap. So it's 36. By the time I'm joining it, I will get the strap length. You're going to iron all your pieces. If you can weave it, or if you can fold it twice to cover those rough edges. You're going to sew close your strap. Here is my wristband. You're going to make a small straps where your buttons are going to pass through. So that is the channel for my button I'm creating. By the time you're done, you're going to sew it close by 0.5 inches. You're going to repeat the same thing for the both wristband. After you're done, you turn it out, in and out, and you're going to iron it. So you see my wristband is ready. I will attach this to my sleeves. So here is my sleeves. I'm creating a channel for my elastic band, because the shoulder part is going to there is elastic on it. So I'm creating this channel for my elastic. You're going to repeat the same step for your both sleeves. And here is my top. So I'm closing down the rough edges, though I weave it, so I just fold it a little bit, like 0.25, so that those rough edges will close down. So now we are going to create our front and our back pattern. So here is going to be our back pattern, my back pattern rather. I'm marking 2.5 here. From that 2.5, I'm going to sew from that where my 2.5 start from. I'm going to sew from there. The remaining 4 inches, I'm going to close it down. So that is my back. So let's move on to the front. You're also going to measure 2.5 from the front. I measure 2.5 from there. That is where my 2.5 is, where I pin down. So from that start of the 2.5, I'm going to sew it from there with 0.25, like you see me doing. I'm going to sew it down close. So automatically that is my front, and here is my back. I'm running a loose stitch here to make my gather for my waist. You know, it has a ruche at the waist, and yes, from the half of the top there is ruche. So yeah, I'm making a gather for it now. So you're going to gather it by the time you gather it, and you are going to take your waist measurement. If it's exactly with your waist measurement and you're satisfied with it, and then you can stop there. So here is my final ruche. That is my my waist. So here I'm making the same ruche on my sleeves. So here is my waistband. I'm pinning it together so that I can get the midpoint of my and not midpoint. I'm marking down my waist measurement. So from there I'm going to make a notch so that by the time I'm going to join it to my top. So after you mark out your waist measurement, you're going to close down the remaining band so that by the time you flip it out, or rather when you join it to your sleeves, your top is going to look clean. So after you finish sewing and iron it, you're going to turn it out like you see me doing, and you iron it flat. So you make a notch there. So that is the center front when you are going to join it to the top, to your top. So here is my top. I'm ironing those places down so that I'm going to create a channel for my straps. I'm going to iron it down. Here my son decided to help me out, so I just have to give him that space too. So yeah, let's continue. So yeah, the length of my elastic is 10 inches. Measure 10 inches for my elastic. You need 2 pieces of that for the both sleeves. So moving on to my bodice, to be sure if my measurement is accurate before I attach my waistband. So I'm going to tie it to secure it rather, so it will not move, or yeah, just pay attention and see what I'm doing. I think you guys are going to pardon me because I'm making this video in the night, and I think this is like after 2, so my voice is already fading out. I need to sleep, but I need to make this video. Okay, so now I'm going to attach my waistband to my top. You're going to pin it down like you see me doing. You're going to pin it all around. Make sure you pin down and arrange it well. Don't rush. Take your time just take your time and pin it all around. So here I'm passing through my elastic to my sleeves. So yeah, you're going to repeat the same thing for the both sleeves. So when you're done passing through your elastic, you are going to secure it with pin so that it will not move around. The elastic will not pull out. When you're done, you pin down your sleeves. You're going to sew in by 0.5. So you pin it down, you sew by 0.5 there. So moving on to my bodice. So I'm going to sew down my top to create a channel for my strap. So you're going to do this, sew it round. So yeah, the channel is ready. So and then let's join the band and to the top together. You're going to sew in with 0.5. Take your time, don't rush it. We're going to sew with 0.5 inches. Our top is almost ready. Yep. So you're going to go, if you have overlocking, this is the moment you are going to weave the rough edges. But if you don't have overlocking, okay, you can still leave it like that. So here is my sleeves. I'm going to close down the where they pass the elastic through, like close down your sleeve completely, like you see me doing. You're going to do the same thing for the boot sleeves. So our sleeves is ready. So what I did here, I did not sew the sleeve completely. I left some opening. The opening I left is 1 inches, because you will see when I'm going to join my wristband. So you're going to make a loose stitch also to make your gather from your sleeves, your ribs. So you see, you're going to join it together. Join your wristband together to your sleeves. So the length of my wristband is 4 inches. So the total length of my sleeve is 24. No, is 20. It's 23 inches rather. Yes, it's 23 inches. So you're going to pin it down like you see me doing, and then you're going to sew with 0.5. Take your time because it's a gather stage, so it's gathered, so you will not expect it to go smoothly. So you're going to make sure you sew it with 0.5. So our sleeves is ready. So when you're done, you are going to put the button of your choice, as you can see. So I'm going to put button afterward. So now you're going to pass through your strap to your top, and your top is ready. So let's style the top and see. So this is how, if when you're going to dress, you're going to put it on this way. So yeah, thank you so much. If you watched this far, I say thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Yeah. Please turn on your post notification to get notified each time I will be posting a sewing tutorial like this. So yeah, you are going to attach the sleeve, or you can leave the sleeve, whichever way that suits you. So you see that is my wristband. I love the outcome of it. Honestly, I so much love the outcome. So I've buttoned up my button. So this is how it looks. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the trouser sewing tutorial. I made a wrap trouser for this top. Man, you will love it. So this is the trouser. It's a wrap trouser. So the video will be on soon. So stay tuned. Don't forget to turn on your post notification to get notified when I'm going to post this video on the, yeah. So thank you. See you soon.